So this is the first ever SMMG math hint video. I'm very happy that you're watching this video. Today we're going to talk about a way that we solve math problems, which is called solving a simpler problem. This idea is super helpful when we solve a lot of math problems and can be applied to a lot of places. So let's try and look at the Tower of Hanoi with 3 pieces. And even if you were able to find your way to get all 3 pieces over to the finish line in the minimum number of moves, it might still help you if you haven't figured out, for example, how to get 10 discs from start to finish. To look at the level 3 and work in what we call a systematic way, which means a way that is orderly enough that we can use it for later. And so to do this, we're going to look very carefully at what's going on with 3 discs. So here's sort of an observation that you can take as sort of a hint. If we want to move all 3 of these discs from start to finish, we're going to have to move this green disc from start to finish. To move the green disc from start to finish, we're going to need the blue and pink discs to line up on free parking. But here's the really cool part. The first moves we have to make are to move the blue and the pink discs to free parking. But that's just level 2 of the Tower of Hanoi. We can reduce the problem of 3 discs to moving 2 discs to free parking, moving the green disc over, and then what should we do? Now that you have, ideally, you now have the idea of how to solve it for 3 discs, can you use the same idea to solve it for 4 discs? Once you have it for 4 discs, can you use it to solve for 5 discs? How about 6 discs? And all the way up to 10 discs. So don't forget that if you didn't understand every word of this video, it's a math video. Sometimes you're not going to understand every word, and you should definitely pause, replay, and don't be afraid to email me with questions, because I miss seeing all you guys and I love answering your guys' questions. So if you have any questions about this, we're going to have volunteer office hours Sunday, September 13th at noon, where you can drop in on our Discord, or you can email me at smmg@math.utexas.edu with any questions. But good luck, and stay healthy out there, guys.